All right, guys, I wanted to show you my next project. Um, this is it in Fusion 360. So this is actually 200 millimeters in diameter or in length here. And each of these different um, indentations are for a 50 millimeter disc magnet. And so once I finish showing you this, I'll show you what the actual magnet looks like. But I designed this up in Fusion just so I could make this part here and double it. So it would be one there and then one here. And then these are separate units. Wait a minute, let me get it back to. These are separate units that get attached to these this rotor plate and this rotor plate, and there's 8 of them. So it's going to be a really big device. Like I said, 200 millimeters, which is quite long. 200 millimeters in inches is I forget what it is. Hold on a second. Yeah, so really quick, 200 millimeters is is about 8 inches. It's a little bit shorter than 8 inches in diameter. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It's going to be really big. Like I said, there's 8 of them around here. There's 8 of these um, 50 millimeter or 2-inch disc magnets. They're probably like 5 millimeters thick and 50 millimeters in diameter. So this is the next project. And I'll show you what those what these pieces look like. I haven't printed out these yet. They're going to take like 6 hours to print out. Anyway, wanted to show you that. So here's the disc magnets I was telling you about, and here's the housing for them. And so this will be attached to those 2 rotor plates that I showed you in the Fusion 360 video capture. They're quite heavy. So this is going to be a huge, huge rotor. Like I said, 200 millimeters, which is, 200 millimeters is quite big. Oops. Compared to my laptop here. Yeah. Anyway, once I get everything printed out, I will assemble and show you. And I'm going to, instead of doing it on magnetic bearings or doing it like a maglev, I'm going to do it with the ceramic bearings because I really like how those work. They work really great. All right.